Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a cute paper dog. Let's get started. First, take your square paper. If you have A4 paper, ask an adult to help you to cut it into square. Be careful when using scissors. Ask an adult to help you. Once you have a square paper, fold it diagonally, then fold it again. Now, let's make the ears. Fold the right corner down at an angle. Flip the paper and do the same with the left corner. Now, it's starting to look like a dog. The ears are ready. Now, fold the bottom corner up a little. Almost done! Now use a colored pencils or markers to draw the eyes, nose, and tongue. Yay! Your paper dog is ready. You can decorate it and make more in different colors. Have fun and great job, everyone!